Bhumi Puja is very important for any construction since ancient times. This is the first function which is called groundbreaking ceremony or Shankusthapana or Bhumi Puja traditionally. In this, the earth is broken strategically at one place, huge hole is made. There they put silver, gold and all nine planet related metals and they worship with yantra. This holds the energy of the temple which is going to be constructed on this for many ages. So for the safety of the workers, for the safety of the trustees, for the safety of devotees, when such a Moola Virat like Sri Ram Prabhu is going to be there, it is very important and it's also a very auspicious moment for everybody and it's very joyful occasion and we are going to celebrate on this. Ram Prabhu is from Treta Yuga. Maryada Purushottam Ram is the first representative of human beings. So the whole universe owe him this much. No doubt it is the proudest moment of 1.2 billion people, but he represents every human being in the world. So this particular temple is the spirit of mankind, which we are going to celebrate, and the celebration is not for one day, it is for generations to come. And the celebration is ever ending. It is perennial celebration. That is the beauty of this occasion. Ever since I have born, I have been witnessing Babri Masjid, Ram Janmabhoomi, Ayodhya been many times. But every time I go there, it's a disappointment. But this joyous moment of making a temple is not only my wish, it is wish of many people whom I met many years, who are very old, who have been seen from the childhood. But this spirit of temple which is coming up in Ayodhya will give lot of blessings to every person whosoever prays Lord Rama, and it is one of the proudest moment, I would say, for every Hindu and every man in the universe. My message is, yes, by spirit the whole 1.25 billion people are there on Ayodhya on that day. Because of this COVID situation, even people don't go there. They can write Ramakoti on that day, they can worship Rama, or they can read Hanuman Chalisa, they can send their message through Hanuman, and wherever you worship, the messages and blessings will go there and you get the blessing from Lord Rama, and we all will be blessed on this joyous occasion. So not being physically there is not a disappointment, but being the momentum, is celebration of momentum is more important for all of us. I take it this way. This is for a great moment in my life. I will definitely go there when the temple is under construction, when the temple is fully done. I will definitely go there. It is a dream come true for me. I am very glad I am born in this age to witness all these things, and it is dream come true for every Hindu and who stays in India and abroad. Jai Shri Ram.